Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and today I want to do an episode about using Amazon reviews to get text or content for your ads. And this could be used in many ways. It could be used for your ad copy, it could be used for the text on the videos, or if you're doing like a script, you can pick up some text here that your customers will resonate with. And I'll show you a little tutorial on how to do it, and it's pretty simple. I think it's very valuable because you can use it, like I said, for ad copy. But if you're doing product development or product research, you could see what people like or don't like about a product that you can then use to improve. So let's hop right in and I'll do a little demo for you guys. So for this demo, I just typed in ramen noodle. I like ramen, so I'm going to do a little ramen noodle here. And I'm just going to pick a random product. So we're going to use this text analyzer. And the way I found it was I just Googled text analyzer and it was the first result. So click on that and then you have it ready. And really, like I said, for this tool, this free software utility, which allows you to find the most frequent phrases and frequencies of words. Non-English language text are supported. It also counts the number of words, characters, sentences, and syllables. And like I said, this is exactly what you want. You want to go into your Amazon reviews or a competitor's reviews and see what's good or bad. So I'll do this one. I used to eat this one a lot growing up. So let's look at the reviews. And this might be helpful, but let's go check some of the, like I said, what you want to do is look at the 5-star reviews and potentially look at the 1-star reviews and see what the difference is. 1 stars is if you're doing product development, you can see, hey, what do people not like about this product? 5 stars is for when you're running ads and you could see what people do like or don't like. So let's scroll down. Like I said, I love Amazon pages. I think people need to reference them more. They're really detailed and they make really good for just conversion. So let's go back here. Let's look at top reviews. And again, you can do top reviews. You can do most recent reviews. You can see how the what people are saying. So what you want to do is you could do this in many different ways. The way I'm going to do it right now is very simple. Is just pasting it in here. But what I would recommend is potentially taking it into an Excel spreadsheet and then keeping it there and referencing it. So let me do a few here. I haven't done it for this brand yet, so like I said, I really just want to look at the good stuff, so we can skip the 1 stars, but you can do another exercise of just the 1 stars to see what happens. And just while I'm doing this, something to be thinking about too is you can also do this on the actual like websites. Let's say, for example, I know we did a previous video on Magic Spoon. You can go to the Magic Spoon website, look at the reviews there, and see what customers are saying. So that's another way to be thinking about it. It doesn't need to be just Amazon. Amazon just has a lot of reviews for a lot of brands. So this is where you can use that. But like I said, you can do this and analyze the text in almost any platform. Another one that I kind of want to go over later on in a different video is how to use Reddit for ad copy, for reviews, for product development research. We've had a lot of success with Reddit on some of the brands. We literally just will take a headline and see it and run it as an ad copy, and we see that works well, especially if you join the subreddit communities that have a lot of people. But let's do this now, and I think that's enough reviews. Again, you might want to do a little bit more, but for this exercise, this should be good for now. So once you have that, just copy. I'm going to save it again just in case it gets deleted. And do process text. And here is, and great, like I haven't done this, so this is great because it kind of goes with sort of ad copy that, let's say that you want to advertise online, just as I remembered. Literally, that's a great hook into an ad for Facebook, for Instagram. Ramen, just as you remembered. You could see now, for me, it brings back memories. Like, yep, this is exactly what it was when I was growing up. Like all the others, another ad copy that you can potentially do. 2 cups of water. Maybe you can say like, hey, look, so simple. All you need is 2 cups of water. Really think about these sort of words and what they're saying and kind of what they're doing. And now here, you can see that creamy chicken ramen. It looks like potentially this could be a top flavor. So you can say our #1 bestseller, creamy chicken ramen, if almost a lot of people are saying it. And this is why, like, I would say you want a lot of reviews because you want this occurrence to be at least, anything greater than six or six and above. And that way you can get a really good frame of reference. As I remembered, I have been, and really the way I would think about it is once you see a word with like a lot of recurrence, go and look at what it was. That's why I kind of had it copied and pasted so you could see where was it. And it's like, I've been looking for creamy chicken for years. Great. Like, this is perfect. I would love to run an ad that says, I've been looking for creamy chicken ramen for years. And now you can say, hey, look, now we're back in stock, buying it. Really great. Like, this is literally like why I love using reviews, because you could literally just take the customer's words and use it as an ad. Let's go again. Process text. That's why I said it's very important to just keep this in like an Excel sheet so you can like reference it and then just give it to your marketers. I really like the top 4 to 3. I think you get more context there versus like the single phrases or double or 2 words. It's kind of like very hard to use or to even think about. So really, when you're studying this, look at 3 or 4 or higher. So that's what I like. There's other tools out there that you can use. Let's see if we find other ones real quick. This is just the one that first came to me. So let me just copy and paste this one. And let me see. I don't know. I've not done these yet, so. Intermediate, I guess. Maybe word stats. This is pretty interesting. So it gives you more ways to look at the words. I love like stuff like this. Noodles, yum yum yum. Great sort of hook. Like, oh god, that's really good. I like this one. I've never seen this one before. One of the things I love about great sort of like intro hook. I like that one. So that's another one. Let's just check one more that I saw. There's some like SEO Text Analyzer, so maybe that's helpful. Okay. So yeah, creamy chicken again. That's the one that we saw before. It was flavor. So flavor is important. Again, there's so many ways to analyze this stuff. So you can see flavor is important. So maybe talk about the flavors in your ads. Chicken seems to be really important. The noodles, the ramen, creamy. That's a great sort of way to describe the ramen. So that's a good one. Here you can, yeah, creamy ramen. These are just like words that you should be using because it seems like all the top reviewers like this. So that's helpful. But all right, guys. Hope that was helpful. Kevin from Voy Media. Any questions or comments, feel free to email me, kevin@voymedia.com, and check out our website, voymedia.com. And if you need help with Facebook ads, marketing, or some sort of growth strategy, feel free to check us out.